Hey guys, I just received my order from MCO Beauty. So I had a 50% off coupon for whatever I bought. I got 50% off of it. And I went to get the advent calendar, but I waited too long and then the advent calendar wasn't there. And then it said if you spend $50, you'll get the advent calendar. Well, I spend over $50, but because of my 50% off, it went down and I didn't get the advent calendar. I'm so disappointed. I wanted it so much. So first up, I got the number 2 salted caramel pistachio fragrance mist and hair body. Smells amazing. I'm smelling my arm. It smells amazing. I've never smelled the Bum Bum cream, the Soldigiano. I've never smelled it. The only cream I got was the blue one. That's the one I know. Next up, I have the MCO number 1 Black Plum Vanilla. Oh, it smells so freaking good. These smell so good. I can't wait to spray my whole body in them. Next up, I got the Lip Whip Intense Repair Balm. You know me and my lip balms, and you know what this looks like. Everybody knows. Next up, I got the Peptide Lip Treatment. This is a lip tint and treatment in one. Instant moisture and shine. Soothe and hydrate. What does this look like? I have one coming too. Next up, I got the Perfect Pout Lip Liner. What does it look like? Is it going to be just as good? I only have one Charlotte Tilbury. No, I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury in my collection at all. Nothing. Not one piece of makeup I got from them. I have ABH because I got a bundle on Ipsy of ABH. But yeah, the only lip liner I really use is the Lunar Beauty. So I'll try this out and see how I am. But I'm most excited about these lip treatments because you know me and my lip balm. My lip balm freaking... I have a problem, people. I have a problem. So I do have a problem with lip balms. But I'll try them out and see how it feels. But that's what I got so far. And if I like these products, I will order more. Because they always have some sales. And you get them in your emails and stuff. I got another 30% off coupon on my email. So who knows? If I like these products, I'll probably buy a little more. Because you know me, I'm going on a makeup journey to see what makeup I like or makeup I'll actually use. I still gotta order a couple things from e.l.f. like the bronzer, powder, Power Grip spray and stuff. It's like at $36 or something like that. I gotta wait till I get paid to be able to do it, so that's why I haven't done any makeup yet. I have a bunch of eye stuff, especially from Lunar Beauty and Laura Lee Los Angeles. I have the highlighter palette and the blush palette from Lunar Beauty. I have a bunch of other stuff. Oh, I have the Tear foundation that I gotta use to try out. So I got a bunch of makeup I need to try out. I do have the blush wand from e.l.f., the foundation. There's a couple other things. Oh, I have the concealer, but the hydrating one, because I've used the Camo one, and it's pretty thick. And they said the hydrating one's better, so I have that. So I have a bunch of stuff that I need to try. I gotta get onto that. I just haven't been feeling well lately, so I've been in a lot of pain. I go to the doctor on Friday. So, anyways, yeah, that's my little MCO Beauty haul, and I'm loving these sprays. Absolutely loving them. I smell so freaking good. And I have 2 sprays on. The one that's my favorite is the number 2, the caramel pistachio. That one's my favorite out of the 2. But yeah, that's it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.